If you're new to the gym, here are 5 fundamental exercises you should add to your workout routine. These include bodyweight squats, push-ups, dumbbell lunges, planks, and bent over rows. Mastering these 5 basic movements will help you improve your strength, balance, and overall fitness, and lay a foundation for more advanced exercises. Bodyweight squats. Bodyweight squats are an excellent exercise for beginners to build lower body strength. This serves as a great starting point for more challenging squat variations, including goblet squats, back squats, and more. The primary muscle groups worked in the squat include the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. To perform bodyweight squats, start with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes pointing slightly outward. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and engage your core. Engaging your core means tightening or squeezing the muscles in your stomach area. Imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine. Begin the squat by inhaling, pushing your hips back, and bending your knees, lowering your body downward. Pretend as though you're sitting back into a chair. You can hold your hands in front of you for balance. Make sure you keep your back straight, keeping a neutral spine, and that your knees aren't going far past your toes. Try to lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the ground or as low as your body will allow. You should feel the weight distribute evenly from your heels through your midfoot. When you're ready to move upward, exhale, press through your heels and squeeze your glutes to return to starting position. As a beginner, aim for 2 to 3 sets with 8 to 12 repetitions, 2 to 3 times a week. Push-ups. Push-ups are fundamental in building upper body strength and your core. The muscles worked during the push-up are the pectoral chest muscles, deltoid shoulder muscles, triceps, serratus anterior, which stabilizes the shoulder blades, abs, and lower back. To begin, start by placing your hands on the ground with your arms extended and wrists underneath your shoulders. Maintain a straight body alignment from your head to your heels. Engage your core. When you're ready to lower your body, inhale, bend your elbows at around a 45-degree angle, and lower your chest until it is just above or slightly touches the ground. Then exhale, press through your palms, and extend your elbows to return to starting position. To make this exercise more manageable for beginners, a modification you can perform are knee push-ups, which you would perform from a kneeling position. Here, make sure you're maintaining a straight line from your knees through your head. Another alternative are incline push-ups, which can be performed on an elevated surface like a bench. There are also wall push-ups, which are performed by leaning into a wall. As a beginner, aim for 2 to 3 sets with 5 to 12 reps, 2 to 3 times a week. Dumbbell lunges. Dumbbell lunges will require the use of dumbbells, and the reason for that is to challenge your balance and stability. This weighted exercise activates your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calf muscles. The additional weight also requires more core stabilization, which helps you build a stronger core. First, when selecting the weight of the dumbbells, start with something light to moderate, especially if you haven't done this exercise before. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand. Roll your shoulders back and keep your chest proud. Inhale, take a controlled forward step with one leg, ensuring your knee is directly above your ankle. The back knee can hover just above or touch the ground, depending on your body's range. Your goal here is to create 2 near 90-degree angles with your legs. Make sure to keep your torso upright and core engaged to maintain balance. Exhale, push through the heel of the front foot to return to starting position. You can make this more challenging by focusing on one leg at a time. And you can also make it easier by performing reverse lunges. For this exercise, since you're working 2 legs, aim for 2 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg, 2 to 3 times a week. Planks. The plank is a challenging exercise that helps you build core strength and stability. To perform the plank, start by placing your hands on the floor and extend your arms straight, with your wrists underneath your shoulders. Extend your legs straight back with your toes on the ground. Make sure your body is aligned in a straight line from your head to your heels, and your bottom shouldn't be too high or too low. Engage your core. Hold this position as long as you can or until you reach your goal duration. You can make the plank more challenging by dropping down to your elbows, since this reduces your stability and activates your core muscles more. As a beginner, you can aim to hold a plank for 20 to 30 seconds for 2 to 3 sets, 3 to 4 times a week. You can build your endurance by adding 5 to 10 seconds each week. Bent over rows. Bent over rows are a vital upper body exercise that targets many muscles in the upper back, including the latissimus dorsi, rhomboids, and traps. Strengthening these muscles contributes to better posture overall. Start by grabbing a pair of dumbbells. You can choose a relatively light weight to start with until you get the form down, then increase to a weight that's more challenging. To perform this movement, start with your feet shoulder-width apart while holding a dumbbell in each hand in a neutral grip, palms facing each other. Bend your knees slightly and hinge at the hips, keeping your back straight avoiding rounding. Inhale, try to remain as parallel to the ground as you can. Exhale, pull the dumbbells towards your hips, squeezing your shoulder blades together, bringing your elbows past your body. Inhale and lower the dumbbells back to starting position. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps 2 to 3 times a week. If your focus is on burning calories and losing weight as opposed to muscle gain, you can also incorporate these 5 exercises into a HIIT or high intensity interval style workout. This would mean instead of a certain number of reps and sets, you're working for a certain duration of time. For example, 30 seconds of squats, followed by 10 seconds of rest for 3 rounds. And you can check out my follow along HIIT workout with these exercises in the link at the top right. Thanks for watching.